For the Vada Pav chutney, take a mixer jar, add 5 cloves of garlic, a pinch of cumin seeds, 2 tablespoons of roasted peanuts, 1 tablespoon of red Kashmiri chili powder. Grind this all very coarsely without adding any water. Our vada chutney is ready. For the coconut chutney, take a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. The hot oil, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, a few curry leaves. Give it a mix. Add 3 cloves of garlic, 1 piece of ginger, 3 green chilies. Add 1 chopped onion. Add a pinch of hing. To this add 3 tablespoons of roasted peanuts, 2 tablespoons of roasted chana dal. Mix everything well. Add a small size tamarind. Give it a mix. Fry for 2 minutes. Add a pinch of salt. Add 1 cup of fresh coconut and mix it for 30 seconds. Off the flame and let it cool before grinding it to a fine paste. Take a mixer jar and transfer all the mixture of the chutney in the mixer grinder. Add a handful of coriander leaves. Add enough water and grind it to a fine paste. Our coconut chutney is ready. For the vada stuffing, take a mixer jar, add 4 green chilies, 6 cloves of garlic, a piece of ginger, a pinch of cumin seeds, few curry leaves. Grind this without water. Our green paste is ready for the vada filling, which I have grind coarsely. For the vada stuffing, take a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. To the heat oil, add 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds, a few curry leaves. Give it a mix. Add a pinch of hing. Add the green coarsely grounded paste which was made before. Mix well for 2 minutes. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Give it a mix. Here I am using mashed potatoes, for which I have taken 2 large potatoes which I have mashed. Mix everything well. Check the salt. Use a handful of chopped coriander. Mix everything. Our potato vada filling is ready. Transfer it into a plate and let it cool before making the vadas. Take a tadka pan. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. To the heat oil, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, a pinch of hing, 1 teaspoon of urad dal, a few curry leaves, 2 red chilies. Give it a mix. Add the tadka to the chutney. Mix everything well. Our delicious coconut chutney is ready to serve. Take a small portion of the vada mix in your hand and give it a round shape. Do all the remaining like this. To the hot oil, add the green chilies which I have slit in the middle. Fry them till they change color to little white. Transfer them in a plate for later use. Add some salt and give it a mix. For the vada batter, add 2 cups of gram flour, half a teaspoon of red Kashmiri chili powder. Add water little at a time. Mix everything well. Our vada batter is ready. Using a spoon, dip the vadas in the hot oil. Wait for 1 minute to turn them on the other side and fry them till they become golden in color. Our vadas are ready. Fry the remaining ones as I have shown you. For the vada pav, take bread, cut into 2 halves, plus some coconut chutney. Add some red chutney which was done before. Place the vada and the green chili which was fried before, and our vada pav is ready.